our friend. This is our factory. Have a look. Some robot arm. Have a look, please. This is you can. This is small. And look, this is this. I think it's used in CNC. Look. And what? Oh. And this. Look. This look. This is robot arm, and it's very good. And very good. It's why this robot arm is very big and it's fine. I think it's in used sensor factory. Look. This. Used it, cut it, TV, and look. Okay, do you have robot arm? Please tell me. I can help you. I'm Linda.